Hey friends, if you wish to fix mouse scroll not working on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, you will have to search for mouse settings in the Windows search bar and then go to mouse settings. Okay. Now, there is an option which says scrolling. First of all, make sure that all of these are at the right one screen at a time, no multiple lines at a time. Lines to scroll at a time, make it 3 to 4. Scroll inactive windows when hovering over them, you can turn it off or you can turn it on if you want this to happen. And then scroll in direction, you should always keep it at down motion scrolls down unless you were a Mac user who just shifted to Windows. Okay, so once these settings are checked, the next thing that you have to do is search for device manager, open device manager, and then you can expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click on it, update driver, and right click on the second one and update the drivers. Once this is done, press Windows plus Control plus O, and then you can go to screen lock and then scroll lock and make sure that it is off. SCRLK, this is scroll lock. Make sure that it's off and it should be in gray color. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.